how to use the Viewpoint app. So if you want to go ahead and use this, you could go ahead to your App Store or Play Store and download Viewpoint. And then basically just create yourself an account and then you can directly start using it. The main point is to go ahead into these program sections and then you can earn points per task. You'll be able to see how long they take and when they will expire. So for example, you go for a study kind of program. So participate by sharing how you use apps on your phone. Actually, that is a permission you are going to allow so that the Viewpoint app will see the progress you're doing on another third-party app if that is the task. But you can go ahead and take a look at the details. Let's say study, but as long as you allow these permissions, you can continue on with the program. And then once you have those points, you can go ahead over here and then you will be able to take it as a reward. So you can redeem it, points auto redeem every 90 days or when you reach 10,000 points. And if you like more information about that, you can just press here on how do points and rewards work. You can also verify your email and account so that you can get news there on, let's say, more programs that is available for you, like being able to refer other friends. And if there are no tasks, then you're just gonna have to wait since your account may just not have any available programs yet, especially if you've just started. When I created this account, I only got like 2 or 3 programs, and now there is like 6 other programs. 5, 4 actually. But that's pretty much the main gist. You earn points, you use these points to earn rewards, and you set up your withdrawal method and those stuff. But hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.